Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. First off, we got to check out this hawk that was in the tree. I mean, he's got a rabbit. You can't see it, but he's got a rabbit or a lizard or something in his talons that he had gotten right before he flew into this tree. And I think at this point he is expending its life right now. Now he's going to fly over here and start munching on it. So while he's doing that, I'll tell you what's coming up in this video. First off, we got to drop the War Wagon off, get all the stuff fixed with broken Reddington Pass. I got to get a haircut because I'm starting to look like a Sam Squanch. And I'm going to show you a really, really expensive neighborhood in Tucson. Amazing hairstylist Jackie. She's awesome. Yo, what's happening, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. Bam! There's Greg. He's running the old Super Cobalt. Graham's hanging out back at the ranch. We're gonna drop the War Wagon off. Probably not gonna have the War Wagon for about a week, maybe even 10 days. So that is what is keeping me from bouncing out of here to get to quartzsite. We are on our way up to Tucson Trucks. Drop the War Wagon off to get some stuff done. We got to get a gas tank put in it. We got to get a motor mounts changed. We got to get our transmission mount changed. We got to get our front shocks changed. A couple other things while it's up there. Before I broke it, we were chasing a vibration. I'm hoping that it was a worn mount on the transmission or the motor before I dropped it in that hole. And that dropping it in that hole just made it worse. And now we'll get the new parts and fix all that stuff. And we'll have a new gas tank and a new sender, and hopefully everything's good. And when this is all done, we can head out to quartzsite and start our festivities for the winter. I'll check in with you guys when we get to Tucson Trucks. This is the CarPlay adapter for your Android. I'm still figuring this thing out, but it's kind of awesome. This is all a stereo video monitor. I can't record it and show you how it works when I have to get myself another video device so I can record this and show you how it works. But it's pretty awesome. I gotta say, when it comes to the overpass and exit game, Arizona makes the most beautiful overpasses and ramps. I mean, look at this. This is pretty awesome. New Mexico makes some really beautiful ones as well. Got another state you think has beautiful overpasses? Leave me a message in the comments. 'Cause there's a man down there, might be old man, I don't know. What's happening, everybody? We dropped the War Wagon off and we're heading back towards the War Ranch. But I figured while we were up here in the ritzy part, I would take Greg out. There's Greg right there. And show him one of the coolest neighborhoods I've ever seen. This is just north of Tucson, Arizona. But check this out. All right, so this is the road heading into this neighborhood. Doesn't look all that special. It's just a regular old desert. So there you go. We can't even go in there. I mean, if we hang out here much longer, they're going to chase us away. But I just wanted you guys to see that neighborhood, man. That's lifestyles of the rich and the famous. Anyway, let's go back through the tunnel one more time just to show you how the other half lives. Alright guys, I hope you dug that. I want to thank you all for hanging out and watching this video. I know it was kind of boring, there's not much going on, but if I don't got the War Wagon, there's not much we can do. So, probably won't see any more videos till I go pick the War Wagon up, which could be up to 2 weeks from now. But that's going to do it for this one. We'll see you on the next one. Keep on vanning. Go for it.